Let us look at this question. Remove the brackets and simplify. Question yakanyorwa in November 2016. It was actually question number 1. It was a paper 2. Saka takatarisa question we should appreciate chekutanga kuti ine 2 instructions. Instruction yekutanga, remove the brackets. Then the second instruction, and simplify. So let us see how we do it. Saka question yedu yakadai. Tina bracket ra a minus b riri kumultiplyana ne bracket ra 2a minus b. So when removing brackets, we have to know the key principle inoti each term in the first bracket should multiply the second bracket. And pakuti first bracket, second bracket, tikuzvitaura loosely because in multiplication tine the property of isomorphy inoti hazvina basa kuti tatanga kumultiplya chipi nechipi. What do I mean? Munogona kuda kuti every term in the second bracket multiply the first bracket, kana kuti every term in the first bracket multiply the second bracket. So let us say we want each term in the first bracket kuti multiply the second bracket. How do we do that? Sateta kuya panapa. Satoda tanga ta satisfy the first requirement iri kuti remove the brackets. Then tozotanga kusimplify. So this is going to be equal to the first term in the first bracket in the a, icha multiply the second bracket to a minus b. The second term in the first bracket in the minus b, be sure to write it with its negative sign, multiplying g to a minus b. Then tadai so, we should also know another principle of removing brackets. Inoti term iri kunze icha multiply every term iri mukati me bracket. Kureva kuti a acha multiply 2a. A times 2a ndiani ndi 2a squared. So this is equal to 2a squared. Then a zvakare acha multiply chi minus b. A times minus b ndiani ndi minus ab. The same applies here. Minus b times 2a the minus 2ab, minus b times minus b the minus b squared, like that. So kana tadai so we have removed brackets. Tinenge ta satisfy the first requirement of the question. Zvekuti question yedu kuri kuisira panapa tinowana 1 mark out of 2 marks. Then manje question yedu yakanaka kuti yakatoarrange ma like terms ari pamwe chete. Saka panapa tengeta kuti 2a squared minus ab minus 2ab ndiani ndi minus 3ab, then tozongonyora minus b squared. Pachiri nema like terms here anogona kuaddana or kusubtractana. Hapana, kurevei? Kureva kuti this is our final answer. So the first requirement yakati remove the brackets inenge yagumira panapa. Panapa teta chi remove brackets. Then we just go a step further. Takuita chi simplify. So this informs the end of this question. If you want to ask any questions pertaining to this question, don't hesitate to use the comments. But if you want to ask us directly, or you want extra lessons, extra help tutoring, get to us on the following numbers on our WhatsApp +263 71 521 3310. Kana muri muZimbabwe uroga mchishandisa WhatsApp mZimbabwe 071 521 3310. Thank you and take care.